All right, my name is Chris with Deluxe Plumbing and Heating. Today we're going to show you the most basic thing of how to change your thermostat from cooling to heating, or changing your fan as well. All right, so right here we have the thermostat. It is on heat. Most thermostats are going to be like this or newer. So with this one, it's just a button. So now the system is off. You're looking at this little box right here for your cooling and heating. So right now we're in cooling. Just press it once, you get heat. If you do have a thermostat like this, on the left side is going to be your fan setting. So it can either be on auto, which it comes on with the system, or on as it is on continuously. Right here with these buttons, these are pretty self-explanatory, just changing the temperature up. It wants to work, and then turning it back down. And the biggest thing with these thermostats is they do have batteries. This thermostat does use batteries. Just keep in mind every so often, about once a year, if you guys do have batteries, change them. It'll keep you from having so many headaches. All right. And this is one of the most basic steps to changing your thermostat from cool to heat for the winter. So you guys are now more acknowledged and have a little bit more of an idea of how to use it. So you guys stay warm this winter, all right?